This is a very simple concept and basic concept regarding organelles, and I believe that being a student of biology, each and every student must know this. After going through this topic, you will be able to answer each and every question related to these organelles. Either they are single membranous, either they are without membrane, either they are with double membrane, either they are organelles of symbiotic origin, either these organelles are cytoplasmic or non-cytoplasmic organelles. So we will start about the different types of organelles on basis of their origin as well as on basis of their membrane. Basically, we are dividing the organelles into two different segments on basis of their origin. Some organelles are actually cytoplasmic in origin. They are part of cytoplasm, and such organelles that are actually part of cytoplasm are called cytoplasmic organelles, and there will be a major list of organelles that are included in these categories. Almost all of the organelles in cell are regarded as cytoplasmic organelles. But there is an exception. One organelle is within the cell that is not a cytoplasmic organelles, and that is called non-cytoplasmic organelles, and that non-cytoplasmic organelles is nucleus. So non-cytoplasmic organelle is a nucleus. Why nucleus is non-cytoplasmic? Because we define cytoplasm as a fluid-like compartment, a fluid-filled component of the cell that is present between the nuclear membrane and plasma membrane. So this cytoplasm is actually present outside the nucleus, and this is the cyto mean cell and plasma mean a fluid-like component. So any fluid-like component of the cell that lie between nucleus and plasma membrane is referred as cytoplasm. Or in case of prokaryotic cell, because they do not have a nucleus, so we can define this cytoplasm as a fluid-like compartment that is present between nucleoid and plasma membrane. So nucleus is not part of cytoplasm, so only organelle that is non-cytoplasmic is nucleus. So one thing is confirmed that nucleus is not cytoplasmic organelles, and whenever you are asked question which one of the following is a non-cytoplasmic organelles, then you must give answer that it is nucleus. Now we are coming toward cytoplasmic organelles, and these cytoplasmic organelles are actually divided into three different categories on basis of their membrane, presence or absence or number of membrane. Either these organelles are surrounded by a single membrane, either they are surrounded by a double membrane, or either they do not, they lack some membrane. So cytoplasmic organelles are further divided into three categories. Those cytoplasmic organelles that are without any membrane, that lack membrane, they include ribosomes, cytoskeleton, centrioles, and basal body, or some structure that originate from these centrioles or basal body like cilia and flagella. So without membranous structure or without membranous organelles include ribosome, cytoskeleton, centriole, and basal body. Therefore, whenever you are asked a question, multiple choice question or question that have different option, which one of the following is a non-membranous structure or non-membranous organelles? So you must choose the answer from these box: ribosome, cytoskeleton, centriole, and basal body. So these are the some groups of organelles that do not have any membrane. Now we are coming toward single membranous organelles, organelles that have only a single membrane. And there is a large list of single membranous organelles. So either we remember or memorize about the without membranous organelles because they are limited, and we are going toward double membranous organelles because they are limited, and all other organelles that are excluded from without membranous or double membranous will be included in the list of single membranous organelles. So firstly, we will move toward the double membranous organelles. Which one of the following is the double membranous cytoplasmic organelles? Must remember that we are actually dividing the cytoplasmic organelles, and now double membranous cytoplasmic organelles include mitochondria and chloroplast. Double membranous cytoplasmic organelles include mitochondria and chloroplast. But we also have nucleus that also have double membrane, but it is not cytoplasmic organelles. Therefore, whenever you are asked question, which one of the following is an example of double membranous organelles, examiner is not interested or not given you an option cytoplasmic or non-cytoplasmic. It is a general question. Which one of the following is our double membranous organelles? Which one of the followings are included in the list of double membranous organelles? Now, examiner is not asking you about cytoplasmic or non-cytoplasmic organelles. So, we must give answer mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus. All of these, mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus, only these three organelles are there that are double membranous. But when you are asked question, which one of the following is an example of double membranous cytoplasmic organelles, then nucleus will not be included because nucleus is not cytoplasmic organelles. So in the text statement, we must have keyword cytoplasmic double membranous. So when you are asked that which one of the following is the cytoplasmic double membranous, so you will choose following list. When you are asked about which one of the following is a non-cytoplasmic organelles, you have left only one organelle, that is nucleus, and that is always double membrane. But when you are asked about just which one of the following is the double membranous organelles, then we must include mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus. All other organelles, because double membranous organelles are only three: nucleus, that is non-cytoplasmic, mitochondria, and chloroplast, that are cytoplasmic. And without membranous organelles, our structure are ribosome, cytoskeleton, centriole, and basal body. So all other organelles, they must be included in the list of single membranous organelles. This is the method of exclusion, because you must remember this is the without membranous organelles, this is the double membranous organelles. So we must assume that if any organelle is not without membrane, any organelle is not with double membrane, then we conclude that this is a reasoning that then we must conclude that this organelle must be with single membrane. So single membranous organelles include endoplasmic reticulum, abbreviated as ER, they may be SER or they may be RER. Golgi apparatus and Golgi complex are dictyosomes, lysosomes, peroxisome, glyoxysome, and vacuole, etc. All these organelles are included in the list of single membranous organelles. So whenever you are asked question which one of the following is a single membranous organelles, you come to this list. Whenever you are asked about which one of the following is without membranous organelles, you come to this list. And whenever you are asked about double membranous organelles, you must include mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus if the text statement do not contain the condition of cytoplasmic or non-cytoplasmic. By looking all these organelles, I am able to conclude that only one organelle that is highlighted as red, ribosome. It is the only organelle present in all cells, either they are prokaryotic or either they are eukaryotic. So whenever you are asked question, which one of the following organelle is present in all cell? All cell mean prokaryotic, eukaryotic, plant, animal. So only ribosome are present in all cells. Which one of the following is a most abundant organelle? Most abundant organelles of the cell, that are also ribosomes. Which one of the following is the heart of cell? Nucleus. Which one of the following is a center of cell? Nucleus. Which one of the following is a brain of cell? Nucleus. Which one of the following is the capital of cell? Nucleus. Which one of the following is the control center of cell? Nucleus. But which one of the following is the kitchen of cell that form the food? That is actually chloroplast. Which one of the following is the powerhouse of the cell that actually generate energy? That is mitochondria. Which one of the following are the factories of protein? That are ribosomes. Similarly, which one of the following are the organelles of symbiotic origin? Then these are mitochondria and chloroplast. There are many other questions that are related to this chart, like which one of the following double membranous organelles is present in both plant and animal or all eukaryotic cell? Then nucleus and mitochondria. Which one of the following double membranous organelles is exclusively present in plant cell? Then chloroplast is exclusively present in the plant cell. Which one of the following double membranous structure is a differentiating feature between the prokaryote and eukaryote? That is nucleus. Which one of the following organelles are considered as the primitive bacteria? Then mitochondria was considered as an primitive aerobic bacteria, and chloroplast was regarded as a primitive cyanobacteria or photosynthetic bacteria. That's why they are called organelles of symbiotic origin. So you must remember that mitochondria and chloroplast more closely resemble with the bacteria. Both these organelles have single double-stranded DNA. Both these organelles have ribosome just similar to that of prokaryotic. I mean to say that 70s. And both of organelles are self-replicating. They actually replicate by the process of binary fission. They are not dependent upon cell cycle. So mitochondria and chloroplast both are organelles of symbiotic origin. Both are double membranous. Both contain single circular DNA. As they contain DNA, they undergo replication of their DNA. They undergo transcription of their DNA. They undergo protein synthesis because they also contain ribosome. And any cell or organelles that contain DNA plus ribosome can replicate itself by the process of binary fission. So they are replicating just like bacteria. There are some membranes are also just like the bacteria. Some of the double membranous organelles have two membranes that are both are smooth without any folds. And this is the nucleus. The nucleus had double membrane, both membrane are smooth. And chloroplast is also organelles that have double membrane and both membrane are smooth. And if a organelle have a double membrane and both membrane are smooth, such double membrane is called envelope. So which one of the following is a list of enveloped organelles? Then we must say nucleus and chloroplast. The nucleus and chloroplast are example of enveloped organelles. Which one of the following is a cytoplasmic enveloped organelles? Chloroplast. And non-cytoplasmic organelles? Chloroplast. Post of the cell is called as Golgi complex. Suicidal bag of cell is called lysosomes. Number of chloroplasts are specifically mitochondria. Mitochondria is controlled by lysosome because of autophagy. Lysosome controls the number of mitochondria. Similarly, we can say that which one the following is the waste bin of cell, storage bin of cell, vacuole. Which one the following is the road of channel for involved in transport, endoplasmic reticulum, within the intracellular transport. Endoplasmic reticulum give rise to Golgi complex. Endoplasmic reticulum give rise to peroxisome and glyoxysome, and Golgi complex give rise to lysosomes. Which one of the following are example of tubular organelles or structure? Cytoskeleton, centriole, and basal body. Which one of the following is an example of granular organelles? Ribosomes. There are so many concepts that may be asked from this simple chart, and you must remember all information regarding these organelles, and these are some basic concept regarding biology, and every student of biology must know it. And if you are specifically undergoing the MDCAT test or any MCQs based test regarding biology, you may be asked about these questions. So hope so I am able to clear this concept to you. Kindly like the video, follow my YouTube, Facebook page, and also subscribe my YouTube channel for getting such interesting information. And this is my first video lecture that I tried to give you in different language that is not my native language, because of understanding that English is actually an international language, and most of my followers, they actually are unable to understand Urdu language, and they are not Urdu speaking. That's why I am recording this video lecture in international language, so that each and every follower is able to understand it. Also, I am able to cover all the points regarding this topic. If you have any question, leave the comment, and must share this video to your colleagues and all those students that need such type of lectures. See you again after a short break.